If you're wondering how to clear cache on your iPhone, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how. Unlike Android, there's no direct clear cache button on iPhone. But don't worry, it's simple. First, open your Settings app, then tap on General. Next, scroll down and select iPhone Storage. This shows all your apps and how much storage they're using. Now, choose the app you want to clear cache for. Let's say Snapchat as an example. You'll see two options here, Offload app and Delete app. Here's the difference. Offload app removes the app but keeps your data and documents, freeing up storage space. Delete app completely removes everything, including all app data. For clearing cache on iPhone apps, the most effective method is to tap Delete app, then reinstall it from the App Store. This clears all cached data and gives you a fresh start. And that's how you clear app cache on iPhone. This works for any app taking up too much storage. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.